when people are saying they want to contest in this state, Delta State, I don't think how. Now that we are getting more money, we are doing projects, and you say you want to come and do what? Yeah, this state is a no-go area for any party. Now we are working. When the time for campaign come, we will campaign. When I was not governor, we won 21 local governments at that time, out of 25. Now that I'm the governor, a working governor, APC is the owner of the state. Don't be cho.
Governor Sheriff, what do you mean by Delta State is a no-go area for any other party except APC? Not be PDP you did before you enter APC. So you are now in the ruling party. You can't be say, now ruling party where you can't deny be the best. You were once a PDP member. After some time, you run, you cross carpet, enter APC. And you are saying that Delta State is a no-go area for any other political party. That you are a working governor. That since we entered APC, we have been getting more money. Share the money where one they get, if they reach the poor masses where they the states. Money where one they get, what you take and they do for these Delta states? What you governors they do pass to do road and flyover? Now so Okowa rule for 8 years. What you know Okowa they do? Road, that they call them road master. The only thing that Nigeria governors know how to do is to just they do road. Itai road where they this place so, Itai road where they that place so, that road don't dey 10 years, they never work am. This governor now work am. Ewo, chukudalo, thank God o. You are a working governor. Working governor where be say, enough you give Ukwuani people light. IPP step down for Outage. We Ukwuani people have been crying day and night, calling on the government to give us light. May they build that step down. Make Ukwuani people they get light on an off you one. And you are here bragging about APC. What is so special about APC? No be people where they PDP before, now they the APC now. The whole bad politicians where they for PDP before, all of them don't run enter APC. People where they pack money where they PDP, all they don't run enter APC. People where steal Delta State 1.3 trillion naira, all of them don't come out from PDP, run enter APC. Delta State was once a PDP state. Now it's an APC state. A time go come, Delta State go come out from APC, enter another party. If presidency come out from APC now, come enter ADC. You Sheriff, you go decamp come out from APC, enter ADC. If na PDP occupy presidential seats, you go come out from this APC, run enter PDP again. So all these politicians are the same, whether they are in ADC o, Labour Party o, PDP o, all of them are the same thing. The day APC today now because of say APC now be the ruling party. So Governor Sheriff, no matter what you they work for worry, we Ukwuani people not they see you as person where they work anything o, because that way they work for worry, that not go benefit we Ukwuani people. Come and give we Ukwuani people light and stop bragging. We did campaign in 20-something local government and we won. Now that's why we dey talk. Give those people bag of rice, give them indomie, make them share. They will vote for you. Africans are hungry people. They're not they vote for you, say you be better person. They're not they vote for you, say you won't do something for them. They are only voting for you to collect that indomie that we are sharing. They are only voting for you to collect that cup of rice. Nigerians are not voting for politicians because that politician is a good politician or that politician is going to change their lives. No, they are only voting because that politician will give them cup of rice, indomie, spaghetti, hunger day. Build IPP for Ukwuani people, Governor Sheriff. The federal government of Nigeria have given state governments the power to create light for their states. But instead, now the flyover we I want to do for Abo, now they are more important. The flyover in Abo worth 59.7 billion naira. But the step down in Outage that will be giving Ukwuani people light worth 30 billion naira. Why when I leave small project of 30 billion, go they do the one of 59.7 billion. And you think say we Ukwuani people dey happy? We are not happy. The thing be say, since the creation of Delta State, Ukwuani people are being marginalized. We Ukwuani people dey suffer for this Delta State. And now why we dey do everything possible to get Anioma State come out from this Delta State. Delta State is not for we Ukwuani people. Delta State na cause to Ukwuani people. See, Delta State na backwardness to Ukwuani people. Delta State dey drag Ukwuani people, they go back. Some Ukwuani people not gonna understand this thing why they talk now, because they be political jobbers. People wey be say the politics of the state they favor their own pockets, not be say they favor their own people. Now those people go talk say wetin this boy they talk safe. In the whole region in Anioma land, Ukwuani is the most backward. Ukwuani have good land. We have the resources. Why are we lacking what we are supposed to have in our land? Okowa enter, you not do anything for Ukwuani people. Now Sheriff enter, we dey beg you to give us light, you not go give us light. Now so your own tenure go finish, you go still come out, you not give Ukwuani people light. The deputy governor of Delta State, who is an Ukwuani man called Monday Oyeme. Now that one own worst. You just did that place. House of Reps member from Ukwuani land called Nnamdi Ezechi. Not be Ukwuani matter that one they talk. Ukwuani not just get person for politics. Ukwuani not get politicians. Ukwuani land just dey like that. Instead of Ukwuani politicians to dey push this narrative, to dey push this agenda, say we want light for Ukwuani land. Say Ukwuani land is backward. No be that one that they talk. Instead, all of them they busy, they campaign for Okowa. So many of our youths in Ukwuani land, they are busy campaigning for Okowa to go back for Senate. Why? They are campaigning for Okowa because Senator Ned Nwoko is agitating for we Anioma people to get Anioma State and join our brothers in the southeast. So many Ukwuani youths, they don't want Anioma State to join the southeast. They thought say instead of Anioma State to join the southeast, make we Anioma people remain for Delta State. They say instead of them to sit down, they look Senator Ned Nwoko, zone Anioma State go southeast, say they go vote for Ifeanyi Okowa, so that Ifeanyi Okowa go be the senator representing Delta North, make the fit comot Senator Ned Nwoko from being the senator representing Anioma land. Youth where their community not get light for more than 20 years old. Youth that don't know the importance of having Anioma State. Youth that don't know that Anioma State is what Ukwuani land needs the most. Youth that don't know that Anioma State will make Ukwuani people great. No be that one that they talk. Instead, they not want join Southeast. They not be Igbo people. They rather vote for Okowa than for Senator Ned Nwoko to give us Anioma State and zone us to the Southeast. Youth will not get sense. Empty brain. Now why Ukwuani land dey backward? Sometimes we will blame our politicians for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani politicians are not the problem of Ukwuani people. Now our youths, because some of them, they're not the reason. Person where him region be the most backward for Anioma land is supposed to have a separate mindset. And that mindset is supposed to be a mindset that will embrace anything that will make their region grow. As Delta State not favor we Ukwuani people, we are supposed to support the creation of Anioma State. Make we get Anioma State. If we get Anioma State, we will not say now only we Ukwuani, Eka, Oshimiri, and Aniocha dey inside. 4 regions only. More local government will be created for Ukwuani people. Ukwuani no go just be Ukwuani local government, Ndokwa East and Ndokwa West. More local governments will be created in Ukwuani land. It will be created in Eka land. It will be created in Oshimiri and Aniocha land. We go get at least 31 local governments for Anioma State. Ukwuani go get 1 senator. Eka go get 1 senator. Oshimiri and Aniocha go get 1 senator. Which means Anioma will have 3 senators and not just 1 senator that is representing us in Delta State today. We will have 6 House of Reps members. Ukwuani land will have 2 House of Reps members. Eka land will have 2 House of Reps members. Oshimiri and Aniocha land will have 2 House of Reps members. More projects will be done in Ukwuani land, Eka land, Oshimiri and Aniocha land. Universities, polytechnics will be built in Ukwuani land. we no go fit achieve all these things if we remain in Delta State. Let's get Anioma State, leave Delta State for these people, and develop our land. Ukwuani people should check the importance of having a state. We need this Anioma State to develop. But instead, some Ukwuani youths, they campaign for Okowa. Youth will not get sense. Some go to say, no, they tell say they not get sense. They not get sense. They not get sense. Ukwuani youth will get sense, not go they campaign for Okowa. They not like the internet. You never do anything for Ukwuani people. Which project big pass creation of a state? Which project is bigger than state creation? Person where they agitate for you to have a state, he never try. We Ukwuani people, we stand with Senator Ned Nwoko. We want Anioma State to be created. Same with Ika people, same with Oshimiri and Anyocha people. Person where they suffer where supposed to they grab opportunity. We Ukwuani people, let's know how to grab opportunity. Opportunity, they say, comes but once. You get opportunity where go pass you. That opportunity not ever come again. Governor Sheriff, come and give Ukwuani people lights. Nothing where you they do for all those robo where go entice we Ukwuani people. We not they see you as person where they do anything. Come and give us light in Ukwuani land. I've achieved a lot. I'm the working governor. You are not working anything. As far as say you never give we Ukwuani people light. Come and give us light. For more than 20 years, Ukwuani not get light. And the sitting governor they thought say he dey work. What do they work? A full Ukwuani people as Ukwuani big rich, they not get light. Ukwuani is as big as Roboland. As Roboland big rich, now so Ukwuani land big rich. You Robo people now they get light. Isoko they get light. Why Ukwuani not they get light? And all of us did the same states. And you go talk say you not know so Ukwuani people not get light. Ukwuani people support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning. We Ukwuani people, we want Anioma State. Anioma people support the creation of Anioma State. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the southeast. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Eka are Igbo people. Oshimiri and Anyocha people are Igbo people. Igbo bofu. Ishiagwale.